Oh, we're recording. Super cool. Trying to test how the wind will affect the GoPro camera on the way it's situated in my helmet, because all my other testing has been quite shit, to be honest. And I tried to tape up any excess areas where air can come in and out. Oh, I need air in my tires. Shit. It's still cold. That's why I'm wearing my big fucking gauntlet helmet. And as you can see, my mirror I had to take off because the storm ripped out my threads, so it won't stay in anymore. And that's kind of shitty, because I love my mirrors. Even though they look like bunny ears, they're quite helpful, especially on this old piece of junk. I don't know how much gas I got in my tank, so this is a test. If I run out of gas, then you all will have a hilarious laugh off of me. Idling a bit too high. Two big gloves. This must be to RJ and to all the other guys. 0 to 100 kilometers, that's now. Oh shit, I'm going 110 already. This old piece of shit actually goes quite better than I ever thought it would. Fun. Motor roads. Okay. Listen guys, I'm allowed to go 110 kilometers per hour, so what's that? 65, 70? So I'm gonna have a chance on a filtering. Nah. That's okay. I think I won't. I'm sorry about the awkward angle of the camera. It's, from what I can see, not quite level. And I hope my breathing ain't too hard, because it's right on top of my camera microphone. By the way, I'm going with a GoPro Hero 3 White Edition, because things in this fucking country is expensive like fuck. What I can get a better, bigger, newer camera for in the States or in UK is what I can get this for here in Denmark. As I told everybody on YouTube, bikes are 180% more of the price than anywhere else on the fucking entire planet. It's almost the same as in Jamaica. Oh, 130. Shit, going too fast. I don't believe this is 130. Nope. This must be more like 110, because the truck don't go more than 90. Okay, sorry about this 0 to 100. Almost blowing off my little bike. It's quite windy today, not that you can see it, but I can feel it. Oh. Either my bike is already pretty hot, or something is smelling pretty hot. feel like I'm yelling into the microphone, but I can't hear myself talk. Okay, let's talk doll hairs. My helmet is a cheap motorcycle helmet. It's about 300 kroners, and that would be about, oh wait a second, $50–60 doll hairs, as Derek used to say. My bike is for free. Got it in boxes. Got it together in a week, started up and stuff like that, but I had to do a lot of electrical damage that my club members fiddled around with and made fun with me. So it took me about a year to find out that they fucked up all my electricals, which was fucking annoying, and made me go out from the club, actually. Some of the guys are quite okay, but yeah, there'll always be assholes anywhere. Neutral. Damn, where is it? Where the fuck's the screw? Oh, there you are. Idling screw. Oh shit. Gonna go. Okay, maybe I can catch up to him. Sweet bike. Not bad out of my 36 horsepower old piece of shit. Pretty tricked out. He got blue lights in it and everything, which is fucking illegal in this country. Everything is illegal in this country. Like my bars on my handlebars, I guess you call it. It's from a bicycle made out of steel, but it gives me a pretty good riding condition. How do you call it? Pretty upright, which I have to do because I'm handicapped. Had my neck broken at an early age. I have a smashed up disc in my back also, and stuff like that from hard work my entire life. Yep. Sweet. But I won't complain. I'm pretty happy with my life anyways. I found happiness in small things like getting a free bike. I had a bike for 20 years. I'll show that in another clip someday. And that's fucking fast. But this is fun. You can actually use this on the road. The other one you can't. And oh, by the way, I hope Traveler sees this. He's a Danish vlogger, motorcyclist that rides a 1300cc, I think, Kavi. Sweet bike. He's a good man. A lot of YouTubers know him because he sponsored something to Dilboy's bike damage. Hope he's got a good family life going there. Oh, wrong gear. Sorry. Holy shit, I haven't been riding too long. This is my second day of having the bike started. I only started it yesterday, haven't done anything to it. And it started up first time I kicked it. So I'm amazed. Since October. It's farting a bit. I wanted to give it a name since I got it. I haven't found a name. Maybe I should call it Little Fart. Just for the kicks of it. Spilling a bit of oil. Single overhead cams usually do that, and I am not in the mood to split it open. Here in Denmark, bikers often used to salute each other, even though they are Harley riders or anything else. In the pure respect that bikers in Denmark are paying one of the biggest contributions of to the state finances, you can say, by our taxes. I've tried to buy used bikes from UK riders that have trashed bikes because it's easier to get lower taxes on a thrashed bike in Denmark and rebuild it, as long as it hasn't been taxed in Denmark before. Come on, baby. I'm really enjoying this. It isn't too hot. It's quite cold. We have about 14 degrees in the sun, which will lead me to about fridge temperature, or how you call it, coolant temperature in a refrigerator. About 5 degrees, I'll guess. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Look it up. I might be able to look it up for you, but my editing skills are pretty fucked up. Sorry about that. I'm going to get my daughter's phone from repairing. She accidentally dropped it, and I have a insurance that I paid a bunch of money on to get it fixed for free. Well, we can discuss that with the insurance that's so high, but I'm not gonna complain. I think I'm gonna stop right here. Maybe a bit over. So I want to salute a couple of riders, amongst Stillboy. Love his freaking videos. Johnny Cactus. Cool dude. I'm a bit sorry that he's smoking. He should take more care of his health. And a lot of other guys. I'll probably come to them in another vlog. I'm not legally allowed to film people, so that's why I have to shut off my video cam right now. So see you later, guys. I hope this will be a good vlog after all.